In today's world, where sustainability is more important than ever, many people are turning to sustainable jewelry as a way to make a positive impact on the environment. One of the key trends in sustainable jewelry is the use of recycled gold and diamonds. These materials offer a way to enjoy the beauty and luxury of fine jewelry without contributing to the negative environmental effects of mining and extraction. Whether you're shopping for a special occasion or simply want to make an eco-conscious decision, sustainable jewelry offers a fantastic alternative. In this article, we'll explore why recycled gold and diamonds are a great choice, the benefits of shopping at jewelry stores near me, and why Arcadia jewelry repair shops can help maintain your eco-friendly pieces. What is sustainable jewelry? Sustainable jewelry refers to pieces that are created with minimal environmental impact, using materials that are responsibly sourced and manufactured. One of the most popular choices in sustainable jewelry is recycled gold and diamonds. By using these materials, jewelers can help reduce the need for new mining operations, which often cause deforestation, habitat destruction, and other forms of environmental damage. Recycled gold. Traditional gold mining is resource-intensive and damaging to the environment. It involves the use of toxic chemicals, and in many cases, it disrupts local ecosystems. Recycled gold, on the other hand, is gold that has been repurposed from old jewelry, electronic waste, or other sources. The process of refining and reusing gold helps reduce the demand for new mining, making it a much more eco-friendly option. Jewelry stores in Arcadia that specialize in sustainable jewelry offer a wide selection of pieces crafted from recycled gold, ensuring that your purchase is both beautiful and responsible. Recycled diamonds. Much like gold, diamonds can also be recycled and repurposed. By using pre-owned or repurposed diamonds, jewelers can minimize the environmental damage caused by diamond mining. Recycled diamonds are often sourced from old jewelry pieces that no longer hold value or from industrial byproducts. These diamonds are carefully cleaned and cut to give them a new life, offering the same brilliance and sparkle as newly mined diamonds, but with a much lower environmental cost. Why choose sustainable jewelry? There are several reasons to choose sustainable jewelry, especially when it comes to recycled gold and diamonds. Here are some of the most compelling reasons to make the switch to eco-friendly options. 1. Environmental benefits. Recycled gold and diamonds reduce the need for harmful mining operations. 1. This helps conserve natural resources, reduces pollution, and protects ecosystems from destruction. 1. By choosing sustainable jewelry, you are actively contributing to the preservation of the planet. 2. Ethical sourcing. Sustainable jewelry often comes with a guarantee of ethical sourcing. 2. Recycled gold and diamonds are sourced in a way that doesn't involve exploiting workers or contributing to conflict zones. 2. This ethical aspect is particularly important for those who are concerned about the human cost of traditional mining. 3. Timeless beauty. Recycled gold and diamonds are just as beautiful and durable as newly mined materials. 3. Many people prefer the vintage charm of recycled diamonds, as they often come with a history and story that add to their uniqueness. 4. Whether you're shopping for an engagement ring, a necklace, or a pair of earrings, you can find stunning, sustainable jewelry that will stand the test of time. 4. Supporting sustainable practices. By purchasing sustainable jewelry, you are supporting companies and artisans that prioritize responsible practices. 4. Many jewelers that specialize in sustainable pieces also invest in other eco-friendly practices, such as reducing their energy consumption, using sustainable packaging, and minimizing waste in their production processes. Shopping for sustainable jewelry. Jewelry stores in Arcadia. When it comes to finding the best sustainable jewelry, shopping locally at jewelry stores near me offers numerous benefits. Not only will you be able to support local businesses, but you'll also be able to find a wide variety of sustainable pieces crafted from recycled gold and diamonds. Why in-person shopping is better than online for sustainable jewelry. While online shopping offers convenience, in-person shopping at jewelry stores in Arcadia allows you to truly appreciate the quality and craftsmanship of sustainable jewelry. Here are a few reasons why shopping in person is ideal. 1. Negotiate the best price. In many cases, you may have the opportunity to negotiate a better price when shopping at local jewelry stores. 1. Jewelers are often more willing to work with customers on price when they're shopping in person, which may not be possible with online retailers. 2. See and feel the jewelry. One of the best aspects of shopping in a jewelry store is the ability to see the jewelry up close and personal. 2. You can inspect the details, feel the weight of the piece, and see how it catches the light. 2. This experience is especially important when purchasing luxury items like recycled gold or diamonds, where the quality and craftsmanship should be carefully evaluated. 3. More options to choose from. While online stores often have limited selections, in-person shopping at jewelry stores in Arcadia provides a wider variety of choices. 3. You can see different styles, designs, and custom options that may not be available online, giving you more flexibility to find the perfect piece for your occasion. 4. Personalized service. Jewelry stores in Arcadia often offer personalized consultations, such as at Dorano Jewelry, where experts can guide you in selecting the right piece for your needs. 4. Whether you're shopping for an engagement ring, a gift for a loved one, or something for yourself, in-person shopping provides access to the expertise and advice that can help you make an informed decision. Jewelry repair, around me, maintaining your sustainable jewelry. Once you've purchased your sustainable jewelry, it's important to take care of it to ensure it remains in top condition. Looking for jewelry repair around me is an essential service for those who want to preserve their pieces for years to come. Arcadia Jewelry Repair Services. Local jewelry repair shops, such as those in Arcadia like Dorano Jewelry, offer a wide range of services to help maintain your sustainable jewelry. From resizing rings to fixing broken clasps or resetting diamonds, our professionals are equipped to handle all types of jewelry repairs. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning and polishing, can also help keep your jewelry looking like new. By visiting a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop, you ensure that your sustainable jewelry continues to shine and sparkle for years to come. In addition, many repair shops specialize in working with precious metals like recycled gold, so they can handle your jewelry with the utmost care. Choose Dorano Jewelry for your sustainable jewelry needs. If you're looking for stunning sustainable jewelry crafted from recycled gold and diamonds, Dorano Jewelry in Arcadia is the perfect place to start. We specialize in high-quality, ethically sourced pieces that combine beauty, luxury, and environmental responsibility. Whether you're shopping for an engagement ring, a necklace, or a pair of earrings, our collection of sustainable jewelry is designed to make a lasting impact. At Dorano Jewelry, we believe in offering personalized service and helping you find the perfect piece that suits your style and values. Our in-store experts can guide you through our selection, helping you choose a piece that not only reflects your taste, but also your commitment to sustainability. Visit us today to explore our stunning collection of recycled gold and diamond jewelry. With our commitment to quality and sustainability, Dorano Jewelry is your trusted partner in finding jewelry that's as beautiful as it is eco-friendly.